In this video, we'll show you how to deposit crypto on Pocket Option. First of all, you need to log into your account, then click the Finance on the left-hand corner and click on Deposit. Now you need to choose the payment method, guys. As you can see, there are a lot of payment methods. They depend on your region, guys. For example, I live in Georgia country, and these are the available methods for my country. In this case, I will show you how to deposit crypto. For example, I will show you the most popular method. I will try to deposit Bitcoin. So in the list, you need to find Bitcoin. You can also deposit USDT by clicking the USDT button right here. Also, you can deposit Ethereum right here and other cryptocurrencies too, guys. But in this case, I will deposit Bitcoin because it's the most popular one. So let's click on Bitcoin. Then we need to enter the amount we want to deposit. For example, $100 worth of Bitcoin. Then click on Continue. And we need to read this note. In order to get your Bitcoin payment proceed automatically, use only Bitcoin network for your transfer. Failure to meet one of their requirements will result in the loss of funds. So we need to send this amount of Bitcoin to this wallet address. Let's copy the wallet address. The deposit time is nearly 10 minutes. So let's go to the crypto wallet where we have available Bitcoin balance. Let's click on the wallet in the top right, click on withdraw. Right here, we need to select the cryptocurrency we want to transfer. In this case, Bitcoin, which is right here, BTC Bitcoin. Then you need to choose the network. In this case, we need to choose the Bitcoin network here. And let's paste the wallet address from Pocket Option, then click on Next. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. You need to copy the exact amount from here and paste it right there. And then click on the withdraw button. Finalize the transaction, and in about 10 minutes, you will receive your money on Pocket Option account. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.